Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Let's get going and start off with our weekly technical analysis and jump into the DXY. As you can see on the chart, last week we were expecting DXY to break this low, reach this order block here and then start a bullish wave. So far so good, the price respected our analysis, and as it stands right now, I'm expecting the price to continue this consolidation and then give us another bullish wave. So for this week, wait for the price to finish this consolidation, maybe reach this area here, and then go with your buy setup. For Euro USD last week, as you can see, I was expecting the price to finish this consolidation, make one more move towards the upside, which it did. And right now, as things stand, the price is looking like it's gonna correct here for a while, maybe one more push back down, and then go back up and break this top. So my take for this week is that this consolidation will end at some point, and then the price will continue to go back up and break the top again. Moving on to Pound USD. For Pound USD last week we were expecting this correction to finish, and then we were expecting a bullish reaction to break the top here. So the price didn't break the top. Instead it went into a deeper correction than expected. So for this week, I'm expecting the price to finish this thing here and then go back up and break the top again. So wait for this consolidation to finish and then go with your buy setups. As the level that I'm watching, here is a good area to watch. If not, it will give you a buy setup from this level, but for now, wait for it to finish what it is doing, because as things stand, the way the price action is looking, the price might drop one more time before going back up. So wait for this consolidation to finish and then go with your buy setup. For Euro Yen, last week we were expecting this consolidation to finish, as you can see, and then we were expecting a move towards the upside that will break the previous top. So as things stand, the price broke the top and we were expecting the market to correct again, maybe go down one more time, and then we were expecting the bullish trend to resume. This is a strong bullish trend, so you might want to wait for a correction here, finish, and then go with your buy setups. So if this happens, we also have this trend line here, which could be a good area to watch for a buy setup. Moving on to Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Last week we were expecting the price to make a consolidation and then make another move towards the upside, and the price went a bit deeper than we expected. And as things stand for this week, I'm expecting the market, if it corrects here, if the price action is slow and makes a sideways move similar to this one, then most likely we'll go down for one more time, and then we'll analyze the price action to see if we will get our buy setup, because at some point I'm expecting the market to take out this top, but first we need to get our buy setup. So next I'm expecting this correction to occur, one more drop, and then we should take it step by step to see if we'll get a bullish reaction from these levels here. Moving on to USDCAD. Last week, as you can see on the chart, we were expecting USDCAD to make a correction here and then break the low one more time, which it did. And for this week, I'm expecting the price to continue this consolidation and then drop once more. I'm expecting a bit deeper consolidation, because we also have a nice area to watch here for a reversal. This is the area that I'm looking for, this fair value gap level. I'm expecting the price to come back down here and take out the liquidity, but first we will need a correction to occur, and maybe something more complex than we had until now. So this could end up being a bigger consolidation and then go back down. So wait for the consolidation to finish and then go with your sell setups. Moving on to gold. Gold was one of the trades of the week. We were saying last time that the price is developing inside the parallel channel here. So I was saying that if we get a flag here, then most likely the price will go down and break this low. So as you can see, there's more than 300 pips in this trade. I hope you guys caught that trade and got some nice profits from it. And as things stand for this week, I'm expecting the market to give us a small consolidation and one more move towards the downside. But this consolidation here could become a bit complex, maybe reach the top one more time and then drop again. So we have to wait and see. This is a bit complex. I will not expect any trade setups for this one in the coming week. Stay a bit away from it. There are other trade setups that you can focus on, because this one is a bit unclear. We had the liquidity sweep here, so this could be a bit tricky and it might start to go up, but first we need to see a bit more candles here to make up our mind. Moving on to silver. Last week we were expecting silver to make a consolidation here and then break the top one more time, but unfortunately the price, as you can see, went back down strongly and broke this low. So as things stand for this week, I'm expecting the price to consolidate here for a while, maybe push down one more time. Overall, I'm bullish on silver, but I want to see a bit more of a confirmation for it towards the upside, because we need to break out of this trend line first, and we might, until then, we might break the low one more time, and then we can go back up, break it, and then if we get a consolidation above, then this is your signal for a buy setup. I'm aiming in the medium term to long term for the $26 level, so this at some point will be breached in my opinion, but we have to wait and see, because this can continue to drop right now. My confirmation for the upside would be a breakout of this trend line here, consolidation, and then you can go with your trade. I don't know if this will happen this week, but other than the buys, I'm not interested in anything for silver at the moment. For oil last week, I was expecting the price to make here a consolidation, as you can see, and then a move to reach this resistance zone. Unfortunately, the price didn't do that, and they started to drop. This was a correction for this bearish wave down, and the price went back down here without breaking this low. So for this week, for US oil, I'm expecting another consolidation and then make a move towards the downside. I won't advise you guys to trade this one because it's very messy. We're inside the very nasty range here, as you can see. So as long as we are in this area here that I'm drawing right now, I would stay away from any trades. So be careful with it, but my bias for this week would be a move towards the downside if the price action gives us a correction here. So wait for a sideways move, and then if you get a bearish setup, don't risk too much, and take your profits fast. Moving on to natural gas. For natural gas, as you can see, last week we were expecting a consolidation to occur, and then we were saying that the price will definitely break this top here, highlighted on the chart. So right now, after we broke the top, the price is starting to consolidate. So what I'm expecting next is a pullback, and then one more move towards the upside to finish this pattern, and then we'll see further on if we'll get a deeper consolidation or if we'll get a stronger bearish reaction that can push the price to break this low here. Moving on to the stock market. For S&P 500, last week I was expecting the consolidation to occur and then the top to be broken. So as you can see, the price is still in that complex consolidation. So I'm expecting this to continue this week. One more drop, correction here, and then we'll be looking for our buy setups to break the top eventually. Moving on to NASDAQ. For NASDAQ, similar to the S&P, I was expecting the price to make here a consolidation, a deeper one, and then a break towards the upside. So for this week, I'm expecting the price to continue this consolidation and then go back up. A good area to watch would be this order block here for a reversal, and then I'm going to be looking for my buy setups from this level. Moving on to Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, similar to the other two, I was expecting the correction to occur, and we have the first leg of that correction here, as you can see. And for this week, I'm expecting a consolidation, one more drop, and then break towards the upside. A good area to watch for Dow Jones will be this level here, which I'm expecting to be reached if we get a complex consolidation. Also, here is another imbalance zone that it might push the price back up, but if it continues to go down, this is a good area to watch for your reversals to break this top here. Moving on to Nifty. For Nifty last week, I was saying that the price should go into a deeper consolidation before moving back up. And the way it is looking right now, the consolidation just started here. We had our first leg towards the downside. We have a sideways move here. So most likely this will continue, develop into a bigger flag, and then make one more move towards the downside and possible reach these levels here before going back up. So before going back up, we have to watch the price action here. If we get towards this level and make a consolidation, then this would be a good indication that we'll drop even further. But this will only be a deeper consolidation, and at some point the bullish move will come and break this top again. Let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. For Bitcoin last week, as you can see here on the chart, the analysis was spot on. I was saying that if we get here a consolidation, if this correction finishes, then it's a good idea to go with a buy setup and check the price action at the trend line, because that would have been the next important level to watch. And I was saying that if the price makes a consolidation, breaks the trend line and makes a consolidation above, then most likely the price will continue to go up and reach the 31,000 level. So as you can see, we were spot on. I hope you guys caught this move from an early point here. And as things stand at this moment in time, I'm expecting the price to consolidate here and then go for one more move towards the upside. This is my forecast for Bitcoin in the coming week. So don't hesitate to go with your buy setups, but don't over risk if you get this kind of setup. Moving on to Ether. For Ether, last week, similar to Bitcoin, I was saying that we were expecting the price to finish this consolidation here, and then we were expecting the price to go back up. If we got a reaction at the trend line, then that would have been another good opportunity to re-enter. So compared to Bitcoin, this one is giving you a nice opportunity as we speak, because as you can see, we have this correction here above the trend line. We strongly broke the trend line, as you can see, with the impulse, and right now the price is consolidating. Wait for this consolidation to finish and then go with your buy setup, because this one will definitely break this top here, the 2.1k level. So if you get here a correction, go with your buy setups, and when the price reaches that level, take your profits. Moving on to Binance Coin. For Binance Coin, last week I was expecting this consolidation to finish, and as we speak, we are still in the middle of it. So the next move for BNB would be a move towards the upside. We have here a nice correction developing. So we have a wave up, a consolidation inside the correction, and then I'm expecting another wave up to occur. Let me clear the drawings, and I'm gonna draw it for you guys again. So I was saying that we had a strong reversal impulse here, followed by a consolidation inside this level, and now I'm expecting the price to go for one more move towards the upside, maybe reach this order block before checking out the price action to see if we will continue to drop from this level if we get a bearish reaction. If not, if we get a consolidation, then most likely we'll go continue to go back up. So as we speak, very important here to watch the price action when we go towards this level. If we get a bearish reaction, then most likely we'll come back down and continue to break this low. So that should be all for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like our content, and also share it with your friends. I wish all of you a profitable trading week. See you guys next Monday, and until then, please trade with care.